Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Namaskara. Today I will be explaining the poem Vandane from the first standard Savi Kannada textbook. Let's start. Title of the poem Vandane, written by the poet L.K. Kambara. Vandane means a respectful bow expressing gratitude or appreciation. The poet, through this poem, allows us to recognize those who support us, who bring goodness and well being into our lives. The contributions of the mother tops the list. For easy pronunciation and to get familiar with the letters, I have made these written notes. You can come back and refer while reading. Let's start. Nava Masa. Nava is 9. Masa means months. Hottu means carried. Nannanu hettu. Nannanu is me. Hettu is delivered. Saakida taige vandane. Saakida, saku means nurture or raise. Tai means mother. Vandane, that is being grateful. It means for 9 months you carried me, you delivered me, you endured all the challenges and pains of motherhood. You nurtured me and gave me the best upbringing. For you, I express my gratitude, dear mother. Here, the selflessness of a mother is highlighted. How she is an unconditional source of love, support, and care to her child is appreciated. We are done with the first stanza. ನವಮಾಸ ಹೊತ್ತು ನನ್ನನು ಹೆತ್ತು ಸಾಕಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. ಮೈ ಮುರಿ ದುಡಿದು ನನ್ನನು ಸಲುಹಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ ತಂದೆಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಮೈ ಮುರಿ, ಮೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಮುರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ದುಡಿದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್, ನನ್ನನು means me, saluhi. Saluhi is raising a child with support, encouragement. Belesida, belesu means to bring the child up, that is help the child grow. Tandege, tande is father. Vandane, I show gratitude. You work very hard and tirelessly to provide a comfortable lifestyle for me. Your support and encouragement helped me grow. For you, I am grateful, dear father. The efforts of a father is acknowledged here. How his role as a provider, protector, guide helps his children achieve their goals is shown here. The second stanza is done. ಮೈ ಮುರಿ ದುಡಿದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸಲುಹಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ ತಂದೆಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. The third stanza speaks about the teacher. ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಹರಸಿದ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. Vidya means education. Buddhi means knowledge. Balyadi means childhood. Kalisi is to teach. Harasida, harasu means wish good, a well-wisher. Guruvige, guru is teacher. Vandane, I show my gratitude. This means during my growing up years, you educated me. You imparted knowledge beyond the textbook. You always wished me well. For you, I am thankful, dear teacher. The value of a teacher as an educator, guide, a mentor who imparts valuable life lessons is thanked here. The third stanza is complete. Vidya buddhi balyadi kalisi harasida guruvige vandane. Coming to the fourth stanza. ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ರೋಗವ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡುವ ವೈದ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ means variety, different kinds of. Rogava, roga means disease or illnesses. Vasi means cure. Maduva, that is do, that is cure the illness. Next, ವೈದ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. ವೈದ್ಯೆ, Vaidya means male doctor. Here they mentioned Vaidye, that means lady doctor. Maduve Vandane, I bow to you, dear doctor. This means I am thankful to you, doctor, for treating me and curing me from a variety of diseases. The role of doctors as healers, caregivers, who serve humanity by treating and curing illnesses with compassion is pointed out here. ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ರೋಗವ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡುವ ವೈದ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. We finished with the fourth stanza. The fifth stanza thanks the farmer. ನಿತ್ಯದಿ ದುಡಿದು ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ರೈತಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. ನಿತ್ಯದಿ means daily, ದುಡಿದು, that is work hard. The farmer works hard in the farm. Annava, anna actually means rice. Here it means food. Needuva, needu means provide. Raitage, raita is farmer. Maduve vandane, I am thankful. This means you work very hard in the farm daily and provide food for us. For you, dear farmer, I am thankful. The important role of a farmer is shown here. How they toil in the fields all day. How hard they work to grow food. The service of the farmer is appreciated. We finished with the fifth stanza. ನಿತ್ಯದಿ ದುಡಿದು ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ರೈತಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. The last stanza thanks the soldier. ನಾಡಿನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ನಿತ್ಯದಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಯೋಧಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. ನಾಡಿನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ. ನಾಡಿನ, ನಾಡು means nation. ರಕ್ಷಣೆ means protect. ನಿತ್ಯದಿ ಮಾಡುವ, ನಿತ್ಯದಿ is daily. ಮಾಡುವ, who daily protects. ಯೋಧಗೆ, ಯೋಧ is a soldier. ಯೋಧಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. I bow to you, dear soldier. You protect the nation every moment. I am thankful to you, O soldier. Soldiers are willing to risk their lives to defend their country. They live away from their loved ones. They serve the country in harsh environments. The sacrifices of the soldiers is appreciated and thanked here. We finished with the last stanza. ನಾಡಿನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ನಿತ್ಯದಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಯೋಧಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ವಂದನೆ. So here we saw so beautifully the poet reminded us to all we owe immense debt of gratitude in our daily lives. Did you know? Shall I tell you an interesting fact? It seems gratitude is a very strong emotion. Living in a state of gratitude is the gateway to grace. That is, many great people have told that when we are thankful to God for His countless blessings, God immediately listens and He blesses us. Magical things start to happen in our lives when we are thankful every moment. Thank you all for listening to me. Happy learning!